Yes. Good morning, students. Yes, I'm audible. Yes. Online students, could you please stop the videos? Online students, I'm audible. Good morning. Very good morning, all. Very good morning. Right. Okay. Last class we are discussing about introduction to C language. According to this, C is a what type of language? High level, which is also called middle. And high level language is created with simple English. And C is having both the low level features and high level. That's why we are calling it is a middle level language. And second point is what? C is a compiler based. What is called compiler means compiler is one of the translator. Actually, always we are writing the program in English. Am I right? Always we are typing the programs in English. And the English program is called a source code. And to convert this English code to binary code, we are using what? Compiler. In C language, we are using compiler. That's why it is called compiler based programming language. And third point, what we have discussed, C is a general purpose programming language. Because of by using C language, we can design so many type of applications. That is both system software and application software like operating systems, editors, translators, device drivers, database, commercial applications, all these things. That's why we are calling C is a general purpose programming language also. Next, now the important point, why C is called, it is a procedure oriented programming language. What is meant by procedure oriented programming language? Today we are going to discuss about POP concept. POP full form is what? Procedure oriented programming language. Now, what is meant by POP? Now, it is one of the important concept. Everyone listen carefully. Every programming language, listen everyone carefully guys. Every programming language comes with a particular programming structure. For example, today we are going to discuss about C language. C language follows which concept? POP. For example, C++ is there, Java is there, Python is there, .NET is there. Okay, now all these are called OOP concepts. What they are called? OOP, object oriented programming. But here, one important thing everybody have to know. What is that? Actually, C++ and Python. Okay, these languages follows both POP and OOP concepts. Remember, C++ and Python follows both POP structure, OOP structure. That's why this language is also called, okay, multi-paradigm programming language. Okay, now you are getting a doubt. Sir, what is called paradigm? What is called, okay, paradigm? Okay, first you have to know what is called programming paradigm. Is having a particular programming structure with the rules and regulations, comma, which is called programming paradigm. Remember, in interview, they're asking the question, what is called programming paradigm? Actually, programming paradigm denotes the programming structure with rules and regulations. Okay, for example, in C language, certain rules are there. C++ also having a certain rules. And as a user, we should have to follow these rules. And that concept is called programming paradigm. And before C language, everyone listen, before C language, the languages are following monolithic programming structure. Now, what is called monolithic programming structure? Okay, that means they are going to create the entire program in a single program. Actually, C comes with POP, but before POP, we are having monolithic programming. What is called monolithic programming concept? Okay, now first I want to explain what is monolithic. Later we are going for what is POP technology. Just take a look on this, guys. Suppose just assume it is our C program. Just assume it is a program, which is also called what? Source code, and it is always in English. Okay, and here we are having some lines, means nothing but instructions. Just assume programming instructions. Suppose like this, how many lines are there? Means 100 lines. Just assume it is the 100 lines program. Tell me, as per your knowledge, it is a big one or small one? 100 lines program means generally 100 line program means it is bigger one or smaller one? Bigger one. Very good. And actually it is called source code also, no? And source code is always in which language? But computer understandable code is what? Now we have to convert this English program into binary code. We have to convert this English program to binary code. For that, what we are doing means compilation. Who is going to do this one? Compiler. Okay, listen everybody. Compiler work is what means? It is converting our English program to binary code. And not only that one, another important thing also there, it is checking the errors. Okay, in interview they're asking the question. In interview they're asking the question, compiler does what? Immediately say compiler does two things. Always the compiler does two things. One is nothing but converting our English code to binary code, and second one is called error checking. Now error means programming mistakes. Programming mistakes are called errors. And now when it is completed means at the time of compilation. Okay, tell me guys, in our example, how many lines are there? 100 lines. Now we have to compile now. Now we have to go for compilation. In compilation, it is checking what also? Error. Now we are having one error only. Listen carefully here. 100 line program, but how many errors are there? Only one. And it is not showing the error line. Now tell me, how many lines we have to check for the errors? How many lines we have to check for the error? 100 lines. Now it is taking less time or more time. Why? Because program is big. Because of the program is big or not. When program is big, checking is difficult or not. Next, 100 line program required more memory or less memory? Generally 100 line program required more memory or less memory. When more memory required means performance is higher, lower. Okay, 100 kgs person is there, 50 kgs person is there, running race going. Who is going to win? 100 kgs person or 50 kgs person? When weight is increased, performance automatically decreased or not? Now it is a big program. No? It is a big program. That means it need more memory. When more memory required means performance is down or not. Okay, and that's why when program is big, we are having different problems. One is what? Finding error is very difficult. Second one, it takes more memory. Third one, performance is low. And not only that one, Not only that one, another major problem is what? Another major problem is, suppose I want to use these 20 lines. Suppose just assume these are the 25 lines. I want to use again here. I want to use the 25 lines again here. But in this concept, what you have to do means, again you have to rewrite the program. Already 25 lines one time you have created, and you want to use the same 25 lines again. What we have to do? Again we have to write the 25 lines. Otherwise, you have to copy paste. But the point is, okay, but the point is, same 25 lines, how many times repeated? Here already 25 lines program is there, guys. Okay, here 25 lines. And you are going to use the same 25 lines here also. Means same 25 lines, how many times repeated? 2 times or not? Same to same program, you are going to write how many times? 2 times. That means what? You are using the means you are using the same coda. You are writing the same coda. You are writing the same code again, or you are using the same code? I need the clarity. Everyone, yes, you are writing how many times? Means what? You are using or you are rewriting rewriting. That's why program is what? Getting lengthy. Again, program is getting lengthy or not? Okay. And then 1 minute, tell me, guys, in this example, how many programs are there? Programs. Lines 100. But how many programs are there? Only. Very good. And this program is called monolithic programming. Okay. I think everybody knows. Mono stands for single. Mono stands for what? Single or not? Now it is how many programs? Only one program, and that single program is called monolithic programming. Before C, the languages are following this structure. What is that structure name? Monolithic programming. In monolithic programming, how many programs they are going to write? Only one. And the problems are what? And monolithic programming problems are what? First one, it is going to be a big one. Second one, finding error is very difficult, and memory takes more memory. Performance is low, and there is no reusability. There is no reusability. Then how this problem is solved in later sessions. Okay. And now to avoid this problem, in C language, they have used one formula. What is that means? They are dividing the same program into several small pieces. In C language, they are dividing the single program into several small pieces. For example, here 25 lines. Okay, now it is a program. And again 25 lines. It is a second program. It is a third program. It is a fourth program. Now tell me, guys, how many small programs they have created? 4 or not? And these small programs are called, okay, subprograms. What they are called? Subprograms, which are also called subroutines, which are also called procedures, which are also called functions, which are also called modules, which are also called structures. Okay. Actually, in monolithic programming, how many programs are there? In monolithic, only one. In monolithic programming, only one program is there. But in POP technology, the single program divided into several small programs, and small programs are also called subprograms, subroutines, procedures, functions, modules, structure. Now tell me, guys, it is what? Come on, everyone. Means C program is collection of. Come on. C program is collection of procedures or not? That's why this concept is called procedure oriented programming. Now there is a clear clarity why it is called POP. Because of C program is what? collection of procedures. C program is collection of procedure, which are also called functions. That's why FOP. FOP means function oriented. Otherwise, SOP, structure oriented. Logic understood? POP. POP full form. Very good. Procedure oriented programming. And FOP, function oriented programming. And SOP, structured oriented programming. Now tell me, actually in POP we are having structure or not? But in monolithic, any structure is there? That's why it is also called unstructured programming. Okay, it is also called unstructured programming. In interview, they are asking the question. In interview, they're asking the question, explain about structured and unstructured programming. Okay, everyone listen. Here in interview, they're asking the question, explain about structured and unstructured programming. Means indirectly, they're asking about what? Monolithic and POP. Got it? Indirectly, they're asking about which concept? Monolithic programming and POP concept. Okay, POP is called structured programming. Monolithic is called unstructured programming. Everybody clear? Next. Okay, Shivam M. C doesn't support WOOP concept. You want to know about WOOP's concept? Then you have to know what are the POP drawbacks and how they are covered in WOOP's concept. Okay, is it clear? Right now our topic C only, no? Not C++ or Java. Is it clear? When I am going to touch the WOOPs means I have to say WOOPs concepts like data hiding, encapsulation, binding, inheritance, okay, polymorphism. So many things I have to cover. Is it clear? When you are attending C++ or Java, they are going to discuss about WOOPs concepts. Because our C is only POP technology, not WOOPs. Okay, guys. Next, why these are called functions also? Why procedures are also called functions? Okay, procedure means logic simple because of small procedures. Okay, why procedure? I'm going to explain. And why these are called functions also. These small programs are called functions. To understand this one, I'm going to give you very simple technique. Why? What is a function first of all? Okay, everybody knows. Suppose birthday. Can I say birthday is a function? Come on, everyone. Can I say birthday is a function or not? Now tell me. Marriage. Marriage. Marriage is a function or not? Yes. Anyone tell me in this class why the birthday is a function or marriage is a function? Because of our topic also function is there now. That's why I'm asking this. Why the marriage or birthday is a function? Anybody in this class? Okay, because of they're having fun. Fun plus action means nothing but. Tell me your birthday, it is a funny moment. Birthday is a funny moment. Funny means happy, na? Fun means what, guys? Happy or not? Now tell me, guys. Okay, here the point is very clear. Fun means happy. Action means what? Movements. Am I right? Yes. Now the point is very clear. Okay, what is that means? Birthday morning, what you are doing? New clothes, all these things. Cake cutting, everything is there or not? And birthday evening, your friends are waiting for. Ye to compulsory na nowadays. Say yes or no. Yeah, open secret na. Yes or no? Birthday morning cake cutting, evening opening. Yes or no? And now your birthday is a happy moment or not? Sad moment, it is a happy moment na? And now tell me, for example, at least confirm me. Your marriage is a happy moment or not? Yes, up to marriage. Up to marriage, every moment is Happy or not? After marriage, no happy. Only moments are there. Purana jamana ko yaad karna. Once upon a time, I am kingu, now bongu. Yes or no? Now tell me guys, birthday or marriage. Suppose even it is Hindu marriage or Muslim marriage or Christian marriage, they are having a step-by-step process. There is a tradition or not. That means the marriages are going in a step by step manner or not. When it is going in step by step manner, can I say it is a procedure? Procedure means what, guys? Step by step or not? Now tell me, guys. Here, marriage also going in a step by step process. Okay, at least confirm me. Marriage is a big topic or small topic? Marriage is a bigger one or smaller one? Very bigger one. And one person can complete the entire marriage. One person is able to do the entire marriage. That's why we are dividing the marriage into small pieces or not. Okay. And now what they are? One person is looking for which part? Invitation. One person. Food section. One person. Decoration. One person. Lodging and boarding like this. Receiving or not? Say yes or no? Now we are dividing the big program into. Come on. We are dividing the big program into small pieces. Now tell me. In C language also, what happened? Come on. Now, can I compare like this? It is nothing but marriage or not? Now the marriage divided into, come on. The marriage divided into several small pieces or not? And the pieces are called what? Sub-programs, subroutines, procedures, functions, modules, structures or not? Now tell me, C program is collection of what? Based on this, C program is collection of what? Procedures or functions. Okay, am I right? C program is collection of procedures or functions. That's why C programming is called POP. POP stands for procedure oriented programming. Okay, POP full form is what? Procedure, and FOP, function oriented programming, or SOP. SOP means yes. Okay. Yes, Shivam. Wait 1 minute. I'm going to show you that one. Okay, wait 1 minute. Now it is the advantage. Now, what are the advantages of POP technology? Okay, now I'm going to explain advantages. Everybody observe it, guys. Before going to start the advantages, I want to show you one thing also. For example, say this. Here it is the C program. Everyone take a look on this. I'm going to create sample program. You have to understood what is FOP now. Watch it. It is a small C program, guys. Header file we are calling it is later main. Now see this C program starting with what? Main or not? And main is a function. How to identify it is a function? How to identify it is a function? Bracket. Okay, now see this, guys. Okay, here it is called a function. How to identify it is a function? There is a parenthesis or open brackets. Remember, whenever this bracket is there, we are calling it is a function. It is a function. Now main is a function. Okay, later watch it. Inside the main, what I am using? Printf. Printf also function. How to identify? How to identify printf also function? Bracket again. Next, scanf again function. Okay, CLR SCR again function. Get ch again function. strcpy again function. Now tell me guys, here all these are what? Now can I say C program is collection of functions? Come on everyone. Based on this example, our C program is collection of, okay, and Java program is collection of objects. Logic very clear now? C program is collection of functions. Java program is collection of objects. That's why Java is called object-oriented programming. C is called function-oriented or procedure-oriented. Is it clear now? What is the difference? C program is collection of functions and Java program is collection of objects. That's why Java is OOPS. C is called POPS, procedure-oriented programming structure. I think very clear now. Next, with this advantages are what? With this advantages are what? Now I'm going to explain the advantages of POP technology. First major advantage, modularity. First main advantage of POP technique is what? Modularity. Now what is called modularity? What is meant by modularity? Dividing big program into several small modules means nothing but pieces based on program requirement. It is the first point. Modularity stands for dividing big program into several small modules, which are also called pieces based on program requirement. Now, I want to give you a small example for modularity. I want to give you small, okay, example for modularity. Very simple example. Tell me guys, generally in 10th class, I am asking, 10th class, we are having annual exams or semester exams? In 10th class, we are having annual exam or semesters. How many times? Come on. Yes, only one. And BTech or MCA? Two. Semester every year or not? Why? Because I am asking. Okay, listen carefully what I am asking. Actually, in 10th class, we are having only one annual exam, but in BTech, every year two SEM exams. Am I right? Why? Because actually 10th class means we are chote bache na. BTech means bade bache ho gaya na. Yes or no? Yes. In 10th class, when girls are coming, you are giving respect. Goma. Huh? In BTech means amma. Huh? Yes or no? Means bade bache ho gaya or not? Now tell me, why for 10th class students only one option, but BTech student two options? It is kaun banega karodpati question. You are not able to answer. Huh? Why? Because in 10th class only one time exam. In BTech every year two exams. I'm asking. 10th class, how many subjects are there? 6 subjects. BTech total year 12 to 12 subjects. At a time, suppose in BTech also there is no SEM exam, only annual exam, and you are having 12 subjects. I am guaranteed minimum 8 to 10 backlogs. Yes or no? That's why they are dividing big year into 2 modules. The module name is called semester or not, guys? Means dividing big one into 2 pieces or not? That is called modularity. That is called modularity. Dividing big program into small modules, which is called modularity concept. Very clear now? Everyone, due to this, we can complete the year easily or not? Because of first 6 months, they are teaching what? 6 subjects only, no? Now you are going to store or not? When examination completed, they are going to outside. Now ready for next sem. Yes or no? Then easy to complete the year or not? It is called modularity. Second one, the most powerful concept. The second most important thing, reusability. POP main advantage is what? Reusability. Means what? Write once, use many times. It is the most powerful feature of POP technique. Reusability. Now reusability means just write only one time, but use many times. Means what? Practically, I want to prove it. Writing one time, using many time, I want to prove it. Now with this example, you can understand what is monolithic programming, what is POP programming. Now tell me guys, in monolithic, how many programs are there? Only one program, no? And in POP, several programs. Am I right? In monolithic, mono means what I said. One or not. We are using only one program, and the same program divided into here several small pieces. Am I right? Now watch it. I want to prove it with a practical example. Everyone watch it, guys. I'm giving the practical for monolithic and POP technique. Now watch it. First, I want to explain my requirement is what. Just assume it is our monitor. Okay, it is our monitor, guys. And on this monitor, I want to print the output like this. First, I want to create the horizontal line like this. Later, I want to print, suppose, good morning. First line, I want to print the good morning text message. Later, again, I want to create a horizontal line. Next, I want to say here, welcome to C. Next, one more line I want to create. And finally, I want to say, thank you all. Same. Okay, it is the program I want to create. Means I want to display the same to same and line again. Now tell me guys, how many horizontal lines are there in this program? 4, very good. And how many text lines are there? 3. Okay, we are having 3 text lines and 4 horizontal lines. Am I right? I want to design same to same output. Okay, I want to create the program for this output. Now watch it. I'm going to create the program for this output. Everyone take a look on this. Every program contains what? Main. Now leave the voids. Later we are discussing that. What is hash? What is include? What is SQL? Later I'm going to explain. It is only to understand reusability. POP is what? Okay. And that is monolithic is what? Just watch it. First main program. And first I want to create a horizontal line or not. Then watch it. Printf. Suppose line. Just assume it is the line /n. Why? Because /n means for next line. Otherwise, what happened means same line matter printed. We need how many lines? Okay, at least tell me. We need one line or different lines. For that, we are using what? /n. Otherwise, see that. Practically, I want to prove it. For example, printf good morning. It is the first message now. And here, which function I am using for this? Printf. The meaning very clear. Printing function. This function is used to print. Means whenever it is printed, then only we can get in on the screen or not. Logic understood? First we have to print the matter now. And that's why which function I am using? Printf function. And remember, when printf is there, compulsory to use stdio.h. Everyone listen carefully. When we are using the printf, compulsory to use stdio.h. Why? Because when printf is there, stdio.h is required. Okay, no problem. I'm going to explain that one also. Now just tell me guys, it is looking like what? Enough, tell me. Now tell me, looking like what? It is looking like what, man? Person or human? Okay. Now tell me, it is what? Very good. Hands now? These are the hands or not? And it is what? Head. Very good. Now it is nothing but the head or not? Yes, now it is nothing but the head and it is nothing but what? Hands. Anyone tell me in this class? Anyone in this class? The hands under control of the, okay, at least tell me. Inside the head, we are having a brain. At least, be doubtful. Huh? Inside our head, there is a brain. Na? Huh? Everybody having that? Na? Some members are getting silent. Huh? Brainless. Right. Now tell me, it is the head or not? And this one is the hands. Can I say these hands are under control of this brain? Say yes or no? Because of inside the brain, we are having a program and that program is controlling all our body parts or not. Now in my example, the hands are nothing but printf. In my example, the hand is nothing but printf and the program is nothing but head is nothing but stdio. Tell me at least where is this head guys in our body? Where the head is in our body? At the top or not? Now tell me where this line also in program stdio.h, top or not? That's why that line is called, that's why that line is called header file. Logic understood? Why that line is called header file? Because of it is just like our head at the top or not. And this header file containing the program to operate what? Printf. Now, at least anybody in this class tell me. Here you said inside the head we are having what? Brain. And brain containing what? I need a clarity. Brain containing program or not? Tell me who designed that program? Inside our head there is a program, no doubt. Everybody having that program. Who designed that program? First question. Actually, we are having the brain now. Inside the brain, we are having a program or not? Who designed that program? You? I have designed that. Otherwise, my parents designed that. Then who designed? Who designed our brain program? I'm asking, guys. We are calling the God. Yes. You are having doubt. Yesterday I have created a brain. That's why bald head. Open karke inject kiya. Then who designed? We have designed brain programs. We are calling the God or not? Means it is already created. We have to create. Already means predefined. Pre means before. Pre means defined means created. Defined means, that's why we are calling printf is a predefined function. Printf is called predefined function because of it is already created function which is ready to use, which is ready to, and where the predefined function stored, where the printf is stored, header file. Which header file? stdio. Now clear? Tell me, without this brain, hands working or not working? Without st.h, printf working or not working? That's why whenever we want to work with printf, compulsory to add stdio dot. I think now very clear. Okay, that's why our program, okay, starting with stdio dot h. Now there is a clear clarity now. Next, second one is what? Main. Every C program starts with what? Main function only. Every C program starts with the main. And why the main? Why the main? Very simple. Logic is very simple. Right now in online, see that 87 students are there. Am I right? In online 87, in offline 40 plus are there. Okay. Now tell me guys, that means 120 plus students. Come on. 120 offline and online. 120 plus students are there now. Okay. 120 plus students are there, but Kishore is not there in class. Listen what I am saying carefully. 120 plus students are there in class, but Kishore is not there in class. Now tell me, your class is going or not going? Your class is conducted or not conducted? Now tell me, who is main to this class? Who is main to this class? Kishore or not? Same to same. You are using thousands of functions, but there is no main. Your program never executed. Logic understood? That's why the name main is given to this program. Logic understood? That's why the name also main. Okay, logic simple, guys. We are having so many fan AC. Right now AC also working now, and fans are there, switches. Now tell me, suppose I have stopped the main, then what happens? Any AC, any fan, at least bed light, working or not working? That means when main is stopped means no power. Am I right? Same to same, when there is no main, your program never executed. That's why main is compulsory. Main is okay. Now tell me, in our example, Kishore is the main or not? And then what about you? You are printf, scanf. In our example, you are the printf and scanf. Now tell me, main is there, printf, scanf. Meaning is there or not? That means when main is there, then only printf, scanf are working. Otherwise, never. Got it, everyone? Now it is about main function. Okay. Next, watch it, guys. Here, how many printf I have used? Two functions or not? But see that output in one line or two lines. Output is in single line or two lines. Single line now. Now further I am using slash n. Now watch it. How many lines? There is a clear clarity. What is the purpose of slash n? When slash n is given, our text moved to next line. Okay. Now the good morning completed. After printing good morning, again I want to print what? One more line now. Now one more line created. Next, for example, printf welcome to C. Now again printf line. Now again thank you. I want to say thank you. Now again last line or not? Okay, here slash n not required. Why? Because last line, it is the now watch it, guys. Output same to same output. Now how many horizontal lines and how many text lines? Same to same. Okay, now I need a small clarity on this. How many times I have created the horizontal lines? How many times I have created the horizontal lines? I have created 4 times or I have used 4 times. I need a clarity. I need a clarity from everyone. I have created 4 times. I have used 4 times. Created now. Suppose like this, I want to create 100 lines program. Suppose, assume, I want to create 100 line program like this. Then how many times I have to write the line? Come on, 100. Now program is getting lengthy and it takes more time. We have to type now. Type means we have, it is taking more time or not? Now watch it. Now watch it what I am doing. 1 minute, tell me guys. Here it is what? After main there is a bracket. Come on everyone. There is a bracket and here it is closed. Now it is a main function. Now tell me how many functions are there or how many programs are there? I need a clarity. Right now only. Then can I say it is the example for monolithic programming? Come on. Can I say now it is the example for Monolithic programming. Okay, Shivam. Later we are discussing all these things. It is only example. Printf rules and regulations. So many are there. Later we are discussing all these rules. Okay. Now tell me guys, can I say it is a single program? And single program is called mono. In monolithic, now tell me, in monolithic, reusability is there, rewriting is there. I need a clarity. Rewriting or reusability? Very good. Okay, 1 minute, see that. It is the example for monolithic programming. And it is the output of monolithic programming. This one is the output for monolithic programming. Next, watch it, guys. Same example, I am converting into POP. Same example, I want to convert into POP technique. Then watch it, what I am doing here. Everyone observe it, guys. It is mono, no? And now I am going for, okay, PO. Just watch it, guys. How many lines I want to create? How many horizontal lines? 4. Then watch it, what I am doing. Void line. And now printf. That's all. Now tell me, guys, how many line functions I have created? Line function. Can I say it is function? Line is a function now. Or line is a program now? Say yes or no? Now I am deleting all these horizontal lines. See that? Now lines are there or not there? Lines are there or not there? No. And line function, how many times it is? Line program, how many times it is? Only 1 time. But I want to use how many times? Now watch it, what I am doing. Watch it, everyone. Just I am calling line. That's all. When you are calling line, this program is working and it is creating a line. Means here we are getting a line. Next, again line and again line and again line. Now tell me, guys, okay, how many times line created? Created how many times? Only. But how many times used? But see that? Same answer or different answer? I need a clarity. Same answer or different answer? Same answer, no? But created how many times? Used how many times? Now it is reusability. It is called reusability. Create once, use many times. I think now this definition very, very clear. What it is? Right? Once, use. We did the same thing, no? We have conducted how many times? But used. It is called, I think very clear now. It is the POP advantage. It is the POP advantage. Is it clear? Next, now I'm adding this program also. It is the example for POP technique, procedure oriented programming. But answer is same to same or not? Okay. Next, now the third advantage of POP is what? Okay. Third advantage also I'm going to explain. What it is, guys? Simplicity. Okay. Easy to read the what? Why? Because when program is small, easy. Okay, at least tell me. You guys tell me. You are interested on essay questions or short answers questions? You are facing exams now. You are interested on essay questions or short answers? Tell me clearly. You are interested on essay. Which? Why? Because? You are saying now. Why? Because tell me. Yes, you have to write 2 to 3 pages. You are getting bulk marks 15 or 20. Mota kacha, you need mota, right? Now tell me, guys. Generally, everybody interested on what? Short answers, yes, yes, sir. Because of short answers means 2 to 3 lines. Ho gaya. Question, yes or no? But essay means minimum 2 pages you have to write or not. That's why everybody is interested on. Now tell me, guys. Here also, in POP technique, we are writing big program, small. A small program is easy to understand, easy to read or not. It is nothing but what? Simplicity. Next, fourth one is nothing but what it is? Efficiency. I said already that when program is big, it taking more memory or less memory? More than performance. Don't. But when small program, it take more memory or less? It means performance. High or not? That's why performance of the program is high or not? Yes. Okay. These are the advantages of what, guys? These are the advantages of what? POP technology. I think everyone, this concept is clear. Okay. Everyone, this concept is clear. That's why before C language, what they are going to use? Monolithic, and C comes with POP. POP full form means in POP technology, big programs divided into small pieces, which are called procedures, functions, structures. That's why C is a structure oriented and monolithic is unstructured. Monolithic is because of there is no structures there. Is it clear, everyone? Next. Now I'm going to give this one. Watch it. In monolithic programming, okay, the program is created using how many programs? Single program. Due to this, it is very difficult to what, guys? Find the errors, and there is no chance for what? Reusability. Am I right? And it is the example. Very clearly, example, everyone understood? Right. Next, in POP, a big program is divided into several small what, guys? Which are called subprograms, which are also called subroutines, which are technically called procedures or functions or modules. Hence, it is also called function oriented programming. Okay, which is called FOP or structure oriented programming. Nothing but SOP. Okay, next. It is the example. These are the advantages. Okay, now I'm going to give the picture also for this. Okay, I'm giving the picture also. See that how the POP are working. Just watch it, guys. It is nothing but what function? Main function. Okay, it is a main function. Suppose in main function, again we are having two small programs called sum and division functions. Okay, in main function we are having again two subprograms. What they are? Sum, division. Now can I say like this? Main is a big function or main is a big program and divided into main is a big program divided into two small subprograms or not? Yes. And now it is nothing but the sum function code. and it is nothing but division function code. Now it is the sum program and it is nothing but the division program. Okay, now tell me guys, main program divided into main program divided into two subprograms or not? Now these are called subprograms or functions or procedures. I think very clear. It is the POP structure. Okay, function oriented programming structure. Yes, up to this you guys are having any doubts? Anybody in this class? Yes, both online and offline students, you are having any doubts up to this explanation? Yes, you are having any questions? Put in chat window, online students. Okay, then do one thing. Just take the notes. Nobody is having any. Don't raise your hands. Aniket and Rajshekhar Reddy, you are having any doubt? Put in chat window only. I'm not having any earphones. I'm having only headphones. Mouth is there. Okay, here microphone only there. I will show that program. It is the program. Okay, and it is a what guys? User defined because of line function created by me. No, I have created the line function, no? And I'm a user or not. That's why it is called user defined function. Aniket, all those are okay programming rules. When programming started, I'm going to say square bracket. Array, generally we are going to use array. With the array strings, we are using bracket, square bracket. Is it clear? And now you are going to ask what is array? So many things you have to learn, man. Is it clear? Installation of C. When programming started, I'm going to show you in 1 or 2 days. Okay, installation also started. Okay, I'm going to show that programming also. Installation, all these things. Yes, offline students, you are having any doubts? And new students are there now. Actually, okay, ping to this number. He is going to provide 2 classes videos. 2 classes, Friday, Saturday class completed. Means introduction only. Okay, same introduction, programming not started. Okay, cool. Later we are discussing void means no return value. IND means it returns integer value. Is it clear? All this later we are discussing. I am using Turbo C. Yes, I am giving some homeworks also. When programming started, I am giving. Okay. G. Pavan Kumar. Argument are also called parameters. Please don't. Okay. With little bit knowledge, don't question me like that. Actually, you are a fresher. Right now, we have started demo classes are going. Now you are asking what is argument? With argument is what? Without argument is what? To understand that one, you have to complete so many things. After 1 month, you are going to discuss about that topic. Okay, with the recording means 4,000. Is it clear? With the recording, with everyday class recording means 4,000. Only class notes means 2,000. Is it clear? Okay, Adiraj Kumar, I have used any return 0 in my program. First tell me. I said now don't ask me the questions like that. When I started the topic, put the questions on that. With a little bit knowledge, you are going to say, Janeshwar, it is not possible like that. Contact the management. Okay. Only recordings, I don't know. Okay, guys. Right. Thank you. Now, first of all, take the snapshot. When the Google Classroom created, I'm uploading these notes. Is it clear? Rahul Tante, any discount for 2 students? Okay. I don't know. Bargaining is there or not. Contact the management. Okay. They are going to give the maximum discount. Okay. 1 minute. First of all, take the snapshot. Yes, Adya, they are creating Google Classroom. Once the Google Classroom is created, I'm going to invite you people. Okay. Then you can add, right? Take this snapshot, guys. You're having mobile phones now. By using mobile phone, take the snap. Later, I'm going to upload the soft copy. And one more thing already I said, it is an interview question. What is called multi-paradigm programming? What is called multi-paradigm? When a language is supporting more than one programming structure, it is called multi. C supports only what? POP. C supports only POP. And Java supports only OOP. See that? Here only one structure, Java also one structure. But C++, Python, both structures. That's why it is called multi-paradigm programming language. Clear? Okay. Now take the snapshot. Everyone just take the snapshot, guys. Okay, it is the, see this Mr. Ramesh, it is the registration procedure. Online students, I'm giving the registration procedure also 1 minute. First to complete this one. This one is visible picture. Do one thing then. 1 minute, 1 minute. Then take this picture. It is very clear. Now it is visible now. It is the monolithic programming example. Complete, and it is the output of this program. Okay. Next, it is the POP programming. Complete now? Then go for the remaining notes. Finish up. Now take this. Yes. Complete now? Right. Next, it is the online student. It is your payment details. Okay, Naresh IT. Dear students, for registration, please contact our admin through WhatsApp. It is Mr. Ramesh. Okay, and only WhatsApp, through WhatsApp only, guys. Everybody remember, don't make any call for registration procedures. And offline students, directly you can go to the main office. There you can complete your payments. Understood? Actually, only class and notes means 2000. And daily class videos also required. Means live videos are there now. Then you have to pay 4000 rupees. Everybody clear? Yes. Online student. Everyone got it now? For registration process, contact this guy. Only on WhatsApp with messages. Don't call. Okay. Only message. Okay. You guys are not having any doubts now? Then see you on tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to discuss with new concept. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye bye, everyone. Okay. When once the theory got completed, I will. Yes, of course. We are not for this one. Yes. It's theory part. Because of these are the basics. Without basic, you can't practice the practice. When it is completed, practice also. Okay, .NET is there. .NET is module oriented. We are calling. Shivam here. Nowadays, the technology is what? Okay, OOPS main.